And welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal if you're new, and I started Project Pink March 25th of last year, and this is some of the stuff that I'm working on right here, and I will be having roll-ins and roll-outs this coming month from last month. And if you are new, I have a container over here where I've kept track of everything that I've used over the whole year, so look for that. And if you have returned, thank you so much, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. First, I'll just go ahead and show you this. This is what I've been using. This is the Milk Hydra Grip Primer, and I have been using this for the last few months. I really like this, and it's one of my favorites I've ever used. I really enjoy it, and I'm sure I have a few months left of this, and I use this every time I do makeup, which is almost every morning. And for my eyeshadow primer, I use this here, and this is the Too Faced. This is the Shadow Insurance 24 Hour, and actually I scraped this out, and I have it in here now, and I don't have very much left. So this is what I have left to work with. So there's only maybe 3 days. I could be wrong, could be a little bit more, but it's a thicker kind of a texture. I really like it, and it does keep my eyeshadow in place all day. Let's go ahead and start with these three. This is what I'm using right now, and this is from Nudestix. This is the Tinted Coverage or Cover Foundation, and I really like this. There's quite a bit that I used up. I started using this earlier this month, and I really like it. It's a really thin consistency, which I do like, and it looks really nice on my skin. And with the primer, it does last all day. I have this here. This is from Too Faced. This is the Born This Way Ethereal Light Illuminating Smoothing Concealer. And I'll go ahead and open this up for you. So this is what this looks like. I really like it. There's a lot in here. There we go. So I don't know how long this will be before I use this up, but I do like this. And this is around, I think I had another one that I used up in a project pan a while ago. It might be this year also. And to set my makeup, I use this. This is the Pacifica Cherry Velvet Matte Translucent Setting Powder. So I'll go ahead and show you what's left in here. And if I get the best way to show you, well, I think I'll actually open it up. So there isn't very much left, as you can see. So I will be having another one to replace this at the end of the month. This smells really nice, and it works well as well. Now I'll start with my bronzer I'm using. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer Contour Palette. And I'm using this one here. I think this one, I haven't used it yet, but I'm pretty sure this could be used as a translucent setting powder. I have some in my hand. That's the color it is. I can maybe use that for that. And this one I think I'm going to use more at summertime because it is a darker bronzer. But I use this palette every day. I love it. It smells really good as well. So now I'm going to talk to you about this. This is the Estee Lauder Pure Color and Envy palette. So this is the outside. Looks like it's gotten a lot of use, as you can see. And I've used a lot of this, but I'm trying to use this up here, the color Rebel Rose. And I'm constantly putting a brush in there thinking the whole month, this is going to be the day. And the next day, this is going to be the day. And I can never get any pan in this. So I'm not sure how long, honestly, this is going to last. Because I think these other powders in this palette took a lot less time. And I will say this is a darker color. I'll go ahead and show you. So I can't really put a ton of it on. Well, maybe I just have to push harder. So that's the color here. I like it. But it's a really dry kind of formula. And now you can see where I just pushed it around a little bit. But I don't know how long this is going to take before it gets used up. I'm hoping soon. And then I'll go ahead and use these other two shades as well, which they're more like highlighters. That one's more of a blush. This one I think could be used as a highlighter. But I mean, I'm hoping to get this done by the end of March. But at this point, I don't know when that is actually going to be. My highlighter, I've been using this. This is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London. And I will say this is a little difficult to use for highlighter. Some of these colors are just not good for highlighters in my opinion. So I'll tell you at the end of the video what I plan on using it for other than that. But so I've been using this shade and this shade here as highlighters. Those are the best ones I can. Because as you can see, these are just not really meant for a face highlight. Maybe people do use it, but not me. But so I don't know. I'm hoping this will be done by March because in this project pan anyway, I was trying to get rid or use up all my cream products, my liquid products, things like that. This is one of the last ones that I have. I think that it was in my project pan. I'd have to go look, but I really want to use this up soon if I can. And this is the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. And I got this from a BoxyCharm a while ago. I actually almost am done with this. And I actually just hit pan today on this shade here called Briar Rose. It's like an orangey shade, not my favorite, but I have a couple different shades from this palette. I want to say it was Beauty and Enchanted. I'm not quite sure though, or was it Beauty? I don't know, it was two, I can't remember. So this is what I have left in this container. I'm thinking by March for sure this will be used up if I consistently use it. But I'm pretty sure that this color here will be used up very soon. And I'm excited for the day that that happens. So here is my eyelash primer. This is from Lancome. And I've been using these for quite a while. I had bought a package and it came with a lot of them. So this is what it looks like. This one here I'm thinking isn't going to be very long before it's used up. It does work fairly well, but I usually can get about a month, maybe a month and a half out of this little container before it goes dry. And for my eyebrows, I'm actually using this. This is from the brand Imagery Eyebrow Pro Wax, excuse me. I got this from Amazon a while ago. So this is what it looks like. This is a really liquidy formula. And I really put a thin layer on my eyebrows, let it dry, because if I don't let it dry down, it will not work well with my powder brow products. And I'll go ahead and show you that first before I move on to these here. So this is one of them. This is what I'm using for my brows right now, and this is the Benefit Browsings Pro Palette, and it's in light medium. So I'm using this shade here. I've already used up these, as you can see. I don't know if I'll ever get to use this one or what I'd use it for, but I'll definitely use these before I get rid of this palette. But I have a feeling this is going to be a long time to use this up. It is a great palette though. And I'm using this one here. Actually, this is the Browsings Pro palette, and this is in medium deep. And I've used this almost all up. I was going to keep using this, but there was a day this month that I don't know what's the mascara or if it was this, I don't know. But I was wearing this with the mascara that I'm actually decluttering, and I'll tell you that at the end. But I had such bad eyes. They were burning and they were painful, and I had to take my makeup off that day. So I'm just not going to use that anymore. And I'm using this one now, and this will be, I don't know, a couple months. I'm thinking maybe I could get this out by March with just this one left. But it is a great product, and I am actually using this as an eyeliner on top of my eyes and a little underneath my eyes. It works well for that. So with that being used every day, maybe I could get this out by March 25th. I'm not sure. And this is the mascara I'm using right now. This is the They're Real Magnet from Benefit. I really like this mascara. There we go. So it's a really great formula. It gets every single lash, makes them longer, and it has a lot of volume. I really like it, and it lasts all day long. And for my eyeliner, I'm trying to use this up. This is the Ico London. I got this in a subscription box many moons ago. This is what it looks like, and it works really well still, as you can see. So, kind of going back and forth between this and the powder. Maybe I'll use them together just to make the look last longer, but this is a really nice product as well. So this is what I used up this month. This one was really exciting. This was from NARS, and this is the Laguna NARS bronzer. I'd gotten this as a reward, or whatever you want to call it, for spending so much from Sephora. I was at their highest category, and this is what it was given to me for the year. For spending however much money is a lot of money, I know that. But so this was really nice. I've had it for a long time though. I would consider repurchasing, but I really don't need any more bronzers, and I wouldn't want to pay full price for this. It's nice, but I wouldn't want to pay full price for this brand. I have another one of these that I actually used up. Of course, this is the same. This is the Lancome. I don't know if this one shows you how dry it is, but it is rather dry, and it's just it pulls on my lashes, and it was just time to go. This one here is the mascara that I think it actually went bad. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big. I really liked it when I first started using it. Look at that, dry stuff falls right out of it. Oh, gross. So this is what it looks like now. I don't know if I can go up close if you could see any lashes. It was pulling on my lashes and it just was uncomfortable, and I had to take it out that day that I used it because my eyes were burning and just so uncomfortable. So it was definitely timed for having this go, but I did like it until it started going bad, but it was getting pretty old, so until then it was a great mascara. I used this up. This is the Chill Mint Lip Balm from Pink, Victoria's Secret. I had this a long time ago. It came in a set. But this is what I have left in here. I don't really want to go and scrape all that out, so I'm just considering it done. This is great. I used this for nighttime, daytime, didn't matter, and I really liked it. I finally used this up from DWT in Paris. I already threw the little container away, but so I scraped all this out, and I am so happy to be done with this. And I was ready to be done. There's just enough left on the container just so you couldn't see through the container. There wasn't like any excess. So it was time to be done. And I had gotten this from BoxyCharm a long time ago, and it was ready to go a while ago. I think I was just trying to use it up. This was the year that I was trying to use up all these liquidy creams, like I said. So I'm so happy that this is used up. Just go ahead. I'm bringing this out again. These are everything that I want to bring in this month, if not a little after. Depends when I use up my products. But this is the highlighter I told you about, but I really want to use this as for eyeshadows. And I think that I could get the most use out of that, doing it that way. But I'll just show you. So that's like a purple. Here is that color there. You can see these are just not easy to use necessarily for a highlighter. So I think using it as these two together as eyeshadows is the way to go. It was a little sloppy, but you can see the colors there. So that's what I'm going to do with this palette. And I'll keep using some of it for highlighters, just those two colors I told you. But to go with it, I'm going to pick out this one here. This is the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Amplified Get Baked palette. And this is another one that I want to use up. I think these will work really well with this palette here as like just on the brows or, you know, anything really. These are really good products, really good shadows. And I know this isn't necessarily supposed to be for your eyes, but I'm going to use it for both. I know I'll probably use it for bronzers, blush, highlight, of course, too. So I'm just trying to get this used up. Next thing here I have, I'll move these out of the way for you. Next thing I have here is this here from Nudestix. This is a brand new one, and when my other one gets used up, I'm going to bring this one in. I really like that it came in this container, kind of luxurious actually. I got this from Sephora a long time ago, and it is a good product. I really enjoy it. When my powder's gone, which it will be gone shortly, I'm going to bring this in. This is from Physicians Formula. And I'm going to hold off on my primer when I do bring this in, because I'm going to want to use this. This comes with a primer, and then when you open this up, this is the actual powder. So I'm going to I really want to use these two together so that there's not one left when the other's used up. So I'll just postpone using my other primer while I'm using this. But it's going to be really nice. I really like Physicians Formula products, and I know I'm going to really like this one. And I'm going to bring in another one of these. This is the Lancome base, of course. And I don't really want to open this one yet. I already showed you a couple of them just because it starts drying out as soon as you open them. And then I have another one of these. This is the Benefit, the same mascara I'm using now. I'd gotten a deal. It was like I got it around Christmas time, so it was a really good deal. And when my concealer gets used up, I'm going to bring this one in. I got this from Marshalls a while ago. So I'm going to use this one. And then for my eyebrow wax, I'm going to be using this when the other one is used up. So I really do like Anastasia products. Haven't used this one yet, but I'm sure it's going to be really nice. I forget to tell you about this one here. This is the Dual Face Setting Mist from the brand. This one here, N Beauty Project. I got this from Marshalls, so I have quite a bit in here. I use this to set my makeup. And when this one is gone, I'm going to bring this one in from Makeup Revolution. And I haven't used this before, so I can't really tell you much about it, but that's my plans when this one gets used up. Much for watching, everyone. I hope you did enjoy. If you're doing project planning, I wish you well. I hope you're doing well, and I hope everything is going well in your life. And if you are new to my channel, of course, the end of March I'll have my final, or if you're here all the time, my finale will be end of March, and I will be having my empties coming up very soon, so look for that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye, guys.